So today we went out for a wee sail. Where is it? We took our boat COCO over to the Copeland Islands. Our friend D came with us on his boat. That's it there, Teddy. And he brought his wee dog Teddy along as well. The sun was shining and it was actually quite a warm day for November. And there's wee Teddy there. And this is us just heading to the little beach on the Copeland.